The UPS driver is stuck, and he's shoveling his way out. I admire his skill and his want to deliver, but sometimes you just gotta fucking call it quits, bro. I'm recording the UPS man taking a picture of him being stuck in the snow because he decided he was going to try and deliver mail in about 7 inches of snow on our street, which hasn't been paved. And now he's stuck. So the plot's going to thicken for this one. And UPS man, please. Oh my god, my dad's truck. Oh my fuck. He's really stuck.
Go help him.
What am I gonna help him with, Fiorina?
Shovel.
Fuck no. He needs to put cat litter down. Actually, as soon as I said that, he just grabbed a bag of, like, something. This is unreal. Poor UPS man. There's days like this is why you call in. You know how. Huh?
Gummy worms.
I don't think he's got gummy worms, though.
I'm hungry.
Well, we could walk to 7-Eleven. It would only take about 45 minutes round trip. Because, I mean, if this UPS truck got stuck, a UPS truck, we ain't going nowhere. We're back. Oh, the UPS man is out. He's out of the snow. And he's on his way. And he's off to deliver another package. Oh my god, please don't hit anyone. Thank you, UPS man. Thank you. And bye-bye.